Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create temporary email address from terminal. Good reason of using this is there will be no advertisements and you run it from terminal, meaning it will be faster. I have the Python file. I'm gonna show you how this works. It uses an email provider API to do all this stuff. So if you look at the link in list mails variable, this link is a list available my mail address. So I'm gonna copy the link and paste the browser. As you can see, I created a new email address with email and password with a token. If I refresh this, as you can see, I created two mail address that I can use. Their name, password, and token are listed at here. You can only create two mail address every single day. All mails will be resetted tomorrow. So, how we can check incoming message? In the Python file, there's also a variable that is called check mail. Copy this URL and paste it in browser. If you look at the URL, this requires a token. You will paste the token of a mail to see its message. So I will copy the first one and paste here. As you can see, there's no mail. That's because this does not receive any mail. But if I replace this with the second token, we can see a sample email that I just sent right now. It shows who sent the mail address, title, and the context of the mail. This is very basic, so it does not support bold or italic effect, just a plain text. I'm sure it won't be an issue though. So, coming to the Python file, all of these are automated. I'm gonna show you how to run this from terminal. First, open terminal and cd into directory that has this Python file. Then run this by using Python 3, then the file name. So as you can see, it shows the current mail address that I can use. I'm gonna go with the first one. And it says nothing because this does not have any incoming message. But if I run this file again and select the second mail, we can see that mail that I send with the sender mail address, title, and context of the mail. And that's pretty much it. It was really simple and effective. You can run the code by yourself. I'll drop down the code link in description. And that's it for this video. You can always check out my channel for more short tips like this. As always, see you later.